Even though I have context of all of this, even then I didn't understand even a word of what Garima said. Hello.
Hello.
We are back with a bump. Not with a bang, but with a big bump. And another one.
That sounds really wrong. That sounds like we're having a baby, Arnav.
Mind goes where mind is thinking.
Bump. Hello. Excuse me. And then you said.
Yeah, bump. I said when the
not
car
with a
went up
bang,
and down
not
like
with a
that.
bump.
Anyway, before we get into our banter, let's show you this little doggo's tail. No, not my tail, but this little doggo's. And this little doggo's, who's at the back, very happy to be recording season 3, if we can call it that, of
Off.
Bematlab
की बातें.
Baatein. Spoiled my entire flow, as always.
That's my plan.
So that's why Sriracha and I are in the frame right now, and you might as well enjoy that. Okay, now that we are done with the Bematlab element of the Baate, let's. Karima, why don't you tell everyone what we're up to, what we're planning, and a humble request that you don't move around so much because
I really
I am
can't
on a
help that. I'm
handheld.
driving.
This is not.
And now it's exercise. This is workout 2.0. Gotta make sure that you're testing your arms. इतना आप कर रहे हैं variety of workouts, तो आपको steady होने चाहिए. Steady hold. Gotta do it. Anyway, the reason that we are now doing this with a proper camera and a handheld one at that is because out of the blue we got a message from is obviously going to be watching this and you'll know why. Who said that he watched all our episodes of Bematlab Ki Baatein. He was one of the
Congratulations,
3
you
or
deserve
4
a
or 5
big award for that.
views that we got on some of them. And he said कि ये हम better कर सकते हैं. And he had feedback. And he said, I'll help you do it. So he said, cool, please help us. We are clueless. So this is happening because. So thanks for that. Anyway, but what are we talking about Arnav today?
Today's topic, the one that we shortlisted out of the many, many things to talk about in the world of startups and building a startup, is customer service, customer support. And what we've learned in the last 2 years of doing this, we're in a bit of a unique place where we have a service and a product. So we'll give feedback or we'll give our learnings from both those parts. And get any more context before we begin?
Woo, this bus guy is gonna kill me.
You're overtaking from the left.
I'm not overtaking. He's shifting into my lane. I'm just going in my lane.
So.
That's not called overtaking.
Well,
I'm
if
shifting into
overtaking
my
from the
lane.
left is wrong.
I am not overtaking from the left means going into his lane. I am going in my lane.
Absolutely relevant
I
to
don't
customer
think you
support.
understand what overtaking means. Anyway, go on.
Yeah, Garima. So I was asking, what would be helpful is our journey through customer support. Like, where did we start and where are we today from where we started? How has that evolved? If you can give a quick snapshot, 30 seconds, 1 minute, Garima.
Okay, time me. It's 30
Yeah.
seconds on the timer.
3, 2, 1, go.
Personal WhatsApp message and phone call going out from somebody on the team to then realizing that for tracking, what we will need to do is have a WhatsApp group with the dog walker and the dog parent and somebody from our team doing it. And then realizing that because one person is not available full time from our team from the morning to the evening, we'll have to have 2-3 people who are able to manage it. And then realizing that वो भी नहीं हो पा रहा है और time उसमें ज़्यादा लग रहा है और customer support issues आ रहे हैं, उसकी वजह से लोग भी drop off कर रहे हैं. Then we decided 1 year in that we will shift to a ticketing system and completely move into the app instead of WhatsApp groups. So we spent 6 months of deep work building that out. And
Even though I have context of all of this, even then I didn't understand even a word of what Garima said. So it was my mistake to give her the 30-second timer. But this is not a question that we answer in 30 seconds. We need to
Please
take you
answer.
through of how it happened. We had two elements, dog walking and dog food. We're going to talk about more dog walking because that is extremely high on immediate customer responses. We started off with a WhatsApp group where there was a walker, our customer support team, who's the customer POC for that customer, and we had a area manager who used to manage that area and the walkers in that area. Then, as Garima said, the problem came that on the WhatsApp group, while the area manager was awake at 6 a.m., they were also managing walkers. So it was impossible for them to reply to the customers on the same time as well.
Also cross role ho gaya na? Like, am I responsible for the walker or am I responsible for also managing the customer? If I am answering the customer, then what does customer support do? And where do they step in?
Correct.
So it was becoming super confusing for people
So-
on our side to deal with it and also for customers. कि भाई इतने लोग हैं तुम्हारी ग्रुप में, किसको मैं फोन करूँ अगर मुझे प्रॉब्लम हो रही है?
Yeah, that used to happen.
Remember how ग्रुप कॉल आती है 10 लोगों को, इंक्लूडिंग जो अगर वॉकर रिप्लेसमेंट के लिए गया है वो भी उस ग्रुप में होते थे. तो ऐसे 5 वॉकर्स हैं, वो एक को छोड़ गया है, एक को रिप्लेसमेंट के लिए गया है, पता नहीं क्या गया. बहुत थैंक यू फॉर स्टिकिंग विद अस, द पीपल हु स्टक थ्रू दैट फेज ऑफ कस्टमर सपोर्ट.
So but that went on for a good 5-6 months till we had 50-60 customers, 70 customers on a daily basis, and I think that kind of worked at that stage. But beyond 50-70 customers, it just became impossible. So then we shifted to, as Garima was saying, a split role, and we moved away from WhatsApp groups. That was a big change, where customer support now started happening via traditional customer support platforms.
Yeah, but for that to happen, actually, the first change that we needed to make was we had been developing our tracking wala app for a while, but we hadn't been able to really push adoption of the app for customers and also for workers. So वो obviously in tandem था. तो कई थे जो कर रहे थे, कई थे जो थे कि WhatsApp ग्रुप ही चलेगी भाई, उसी पे करो तुम अभी तक, मेरे को वो कन्वीनियंट लग रहा है. तो हमें एक हार्ड स्टॉप लगाना पड़ा था that this is the final date, हम WhatsApp ग्रुप्स डिलीट कर रहे हैं. This is the app, please move. And obviously there was a lot of, some customers were really unhappy with that, of course, because we were also figuring out the app. It wasn't perfect. It's not going to be as good as WhatsApp, obviously, in the first go. So we had to keep at it. Same thing on the walker side as well, because obviously their life also became way more difficult. कि भाई अब इनको सब चीज़ों का टाइम पता है, अब हर चीज़ का लोकेशन का पता है मेरा. उनको पता है जब मैं उठ रहा हूँ, जब मैं चेक इन कर रहा हूँ, नहीं कर रहा हूँ, क्या कर रहा हूँ, अरब साइड से मेरे को लेफ्ट जाने को बोल रहा है. So just give me a second. Arnav, why don't you take over?
Showing you how the daily customer service happens so that customers are extremely happy. This is the tech team solving tech issues live. As they come to the customer, it's real time solved. And here is the team that is focusing on solving customer issues. This is our daily meeting. Robin, can you tell the team what it's all about, this meeting? How much fighting happens just to make customers happy? We're going to post this on the internet so that every customer knows how much effort goes behind.
Do you want me to tell the truth? It's a daily buzzard that is happening with area managers and the mission ops, and it's kind of a fight, WWF against the team. Area manager from Gurgaon.
Customer support team, and the battle is on. And we have an important observer. She keeps track of all the meetings and gives an update to us on our way back. So that is how we solve customer issues. We have a live video call that's up from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. to solve customer issues absolutely live. But we still need coordination between the teams. So we do a live meeting 1:30 to 2:30 every day कि instant resolution customer को मिले. So Garima, what's your summary?
What's my summary?
Yes, what did we understand? What have we learned in these 2 years about customer support? How would you summarize it in 3 lines?
बहुत अच्छे से तू कंट्रोल ले लेता है ना ये कॉन्वर्सेशन मेरे ऊपर डाल देता है कि तू बता बैठ के यहाँ पे. But sure, I will tell you point 1 and then you do point 2.
Sure.
And I'll do 3 and we'll do 4 so that you do 2 also.
Okay.
My point 1 is that what we think is perfect now will not necessarily be perfect 6 months down the line and maybe even sooner. So जो भी हमें अभी in the last 2 years also customer service what we thought it meant, what we would have to do in terms of हमारी टीम कैसे structured है, क्या करना है, किस टाइप की solutions ढूंढनी है. I think वो हमारा at least the only learning has been कि हर 3 से 6 महीने में वो change है.
So
what we have-
continuously evolving.
हाँ.
That is point 1.
Correct.
My point 2 is there is no substitute for people talking to customers. And if it's too much, if for 10-15 operations customer team to listen or to talk individually to customers, then you have to listen to call recordings, and everyone in the team, from leadership to the people who are on support, everyone needs to talk to customers and listen to them on a very, very regular basis. There's no substitute to improve your operations and your
That's
systems
true.
for that.
Even if कई चीज़ें तुम फीचर बना दो ऐप पे
Yeah.
या उसको बॉट बना दो, जो भी बना दो. I think especially for pet care, because it is so much to do with an emotional subject for you. You can't completely eliminate एक वो human touch जो होता है.
Correct.
So, वो नहीं हटेगा.
I actually mean listening to customers also in terms of on clarity, seeing what they're pressing on the app, how they're going through. So all of that is part of listening to customers, right? When you change systems. So
सही बात है यार ना, सही बात है
तो
आपकी.
आप पे आया
सही
पॉइंट
बात है.
नंबर 3 अब.
तीसरी चीज आई थिंक हैज मोर टू डू विद द पीपल हु आर डूइंग कस्टमर सपोर्ट और कस्टमर सक्सेस. I think what we've done a decent job at, maybe we can be better, but one is I think everybody on the team is very high on empathy, which is super important because you have to understand कि सामने से अगर कोई गुस्सा भी हो रहा है for whatever reason, उस टाइम पे if you don't understand why they are feeling it, it's very easy to actually dismiss that. But if you start dismissing it, so then they will get obviously even more angry about the fact that you don't understand it. So empathy is super important. I think one thing that also helps is that on the customer team, on the ops team as well, we do have a healthy mix of dog parents as well. Everybody has to be comfortable with dogs because Sriracha बैठी है in any case. तो वो तो impossible I do not do. But I think having people who have dogs at home or have other people around them with dogs definitely helps as well. Because then you're immediately able to think कि अच्छा अगर मेरे साथ ये होता तो मेरे को भी गुस्सा आता या ये सही नहीं है. So a lot of those things then become कि हाँ ये intuitively you know कि ये सही है या नहीं है from that perspective. So चौथा point अर्नव, आपने कोई सुना नहीं है मेरा point, obviously third वाला. I could see it in your eyes when you were just nodding and thinking.
I was thinking about the 4th point,
I know it.
which I was thinking I'll make an outro, but I will tell you the 4th point because I have had the time to think about it. And the 4th point is that in a customer-oriented role, what you actually solve for, and even in operations, what you solve for is the gaps or the things that customers are getting angry about. The good comments, the good feedback comes here and there in the middle, and everyone that really sparks a smile. But usually you're hearing things that are not going well. So it's very important for the team environment, for the morale to be positive overall. Simple ways of doing that. Just the daily catch up, one light-hearted joke and suddenly that changes, and that happens by different people on different days. So that is great. Celebrating milestones, small milestones. 100 walks हमने complete करी, उसको celebrate किया. Cake for each 100 walks that we add. Things like that really just lighten and makes the whole environment fun, especially in a daily ops role, because dog walking is daily. आज कुछ भी गलत हुआ तो customer is angry, right? So Garima, on that note, I think we've come to the close of this episode.
Yes, we have. But Cool will be back soon.
Very soon.
Yeah. Hopefully this time, not like the lies that I have told.
What are we going to talk about?
I'm not sure yet. आपको है कुछ idea?
नहीं, हम सोचेंगे और फिर बताएंगे.